Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Accord interior light. First, let's prepare for the task. You'll need a few simple tools, such as a plastic trim removal tool and a small flathead screwdriver. It's also crucial to have the correct replacement bulb, whether it's an LED or a traditional incandescent type. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and all interior lights are switched off before you begin. Now, let's access the bulb. Locate the small notch on the edge of the light's plastic lens cover. Using your plastic trim tool, carefully insert it into this notch. Gently pry the cover downwards or outwards, depending on the light's location, until it unclips. Remember to be gentle. We want to avoid any damage to the plastic housing or lens during this step. With the lens cover removed, you can now see the old bulb. Gently pull the old bulb straight out from its socket. It might be a bit warm, so be careful. Now, take your new bulb and firmly insert it into the socket. Make sure it's seated correctly. Before replacing the cover, briefly turn on your interior lights to confirm the new bulb illuminates properly. This ensures it's working before you finish. For our final step, let's reassemble everything. Carefully align the lens cover with its housing. Press it firmly back into place until you hear or feel the clips engage securely. Ensure the cover sits flush and tight, just as it was before. Once everything is reassembled, perform a final check of all your interior lights to confirm they are working perfectly. You've successfully changed your interior light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.